Vectors! Okay, guys, check this problem out. I want to do number 15 right here, okay? It says, use a figure to sketch a graph of the specified vector. Whatever. We're not going to print anything. Whatever. That's dumb. All right, so here's a vector v. Here's a vector u. Notice that it has a direction and it has magnitude. It was magnitude. Magnitude is the length. Do you guys know how to find the length of any line? Yeah, you use a right triangle, a Pythagorean theorem. Yeah, okay, so if you have a Pythagorean a triangle attached to it, you guys can find the length of it. You just have to know the A and the B. Anyways, that's also a concept in this. So if you guys are trying to graph this guy right here, u plus v, which one is first, the u or the v? U. Okay, so it would look something like this. Which way does u go? Oh yeah, it just goes like this. Is that about right? Yeah, it's about right. It's about right. Okay, and now if I add v to it, this is what you would do. Okay, so you just start at the end of it, and that's the way you go. So that's it. That's all you got. So the vector actually is this one right here. Like this is the u plus v vector. That's how you guys sketch a vector. Vectors are neat. You guys can do combinations of them and stuff. When you guys see minus, what do you guys think of? Think the opposite. Opposite, right? So what would be the opposite direction of up to the right? Down to the left, right? So that'd be the opposite.